I am freaking out. Let me show you around the place and then we'll talk more about the move. So right now I am in my living room and I've never done a house tour before just because I didn't want to. But I'm gonna do a house tour now since we're moving out of this place, and then I'll also give you a tour of the new place once we get there. So first, here's my living room. So here we have the husband, and then we have the husband's project right here, which is a black dresser. It looks fantastic. I'd love to show it to you. This is my secretary, and it's open because I got crap in it. And then, yeah. So our house, we have these cute little door things, and then it has like a curved ceiling in the living room. I think it's really cute. The walls are like tan, and then we have white trim. And here's our carpet. It's kind of messy, but whatever. And then as we go, here's the front door, and then the kitchen. Yeah, don't look at all the mess. But anyway, here is our kitchen, and I'll show you right here. This little bit of tile I did myself, and if somebody wants to come do our dishes, that is one night worth of dishes. We didn't do them last night. There are 6 people in this family, and we all eat a lot. Okay, and that fridge and microwave and more messes, and here's the door to the basement. And as we go down to the basement, we will find my old YouTube room. See our stairs, they're not good. Let's see, here we have the laundry room. Yes, and you can, it's weird, you have like these stairs that you can go down, and then I'll show you. You go down them, and then you can like come up and go to the laundry room like this. But you can also come through my YouTube room. So here is my YouTube room. I'm working on this piece of furniture right here. And here you go. You guys probably haven't seen her before. She's pretty cool. And then this right here is brick. It's just foam brick, and I encourage you to watch my video on how I put it on because it's pretty cool. I really like it. It worked great. I think I want it in the new house too. This right here, this is a dance pole. I am like all about, you know, staying young and being fit and everything. So the dance pole is such a great way to stay fit. You can swing yourself around on it, you know, it's really fun. So I encourage you to get yourself a dance pole and then watch some YouTube videos on how to use it and work out with it because they're great. They're amazing. This one is brand new and it actually is supposed to spin, but I don't know what happened. It didn't spin. Also, I'll show you something cool. This is our ceiling, and it is a drop ceiling. That part's taken out. But the cool thing about it is that right up there, those are actually pieces of wood that are stained. And then this is a piece of drywall. So it looks kind of neat, as you can see. Yeah. And here's the project that I'm working on. Yes, and here's my outfit. Do you like my outfit? I love these pants. I just got them at Walmart, and they like tie and everything. Here, let me zoom in. Yeah, so they like tie, and then I got this shirt off Amazon. You might have seen it in a haul. That's what I look like holding a camera. So then, as we get out of the YouTube area, we come into my kids' bedroom, and it is dark. Okay, so here is the kids' room. We have a bunch of mattresses stacked up, but my son is loving sleeping on it. It's really dark in here, so I'm sorry that you can't see too much, but this is pretty much the other half of the basement, a larger area. And then over here, make you dizzy, there's another mirror, but this is actually a door that enters into another room. But that's my daughter's room, and she is not feeling good today, so I'm not going to take you in there. But it's a whole other room that is at least as big as this space here. So that's our downstairs. Let me take you back upstairs so you can see the rest. Our door that goes into the kitchen is actually a chalkboard. So it's really neat because you can just write on it, erase it. Bella wrote on it, Mom, Lily. Okay, back through the kitchen, and then I will show you my bedroom. Here's the hallway. There's the cat. Hi, Minnie. And we have one room here. It's kind of a smaller room, but my son's homesick in it, so we're not going in there. We have the bathroom. Just kind of give you a little view of it. Yes, very exciting. And, oh, actually, you know, I'll tell you, this counter right here was a dresser. And I took and turned it into a sink holder. Yes, I am creative. Now, into our bedroom. The bed's not made, so it really doesn't look good in here. Because we're moving, I have like all of this junk all over the bed because I was trying to find an outfit to wear today. So, yeah, and our bedroom's not that big, so let me show you. So here we have, oh, my little daughter actually sleeps in my bedroom with me. Excuse the mess. There's my secretary. There's the window. This is a really neat little jewelry box thing, but I keep my makeup in it instead. Maybe I'll show you the bedroom sometime when it's not a mess. It actually looks pretty good. Here's our new headboard that we got, our new bed. It's pretty cool. Alright, out of the bedroom and back to the living room. Alright, so that is the place that we have been living for. I've been here for 20 years. And we're moving out, and I'm so excited for the new place. The new house is a Victorian house in a city that's a little bit outside my city, so it's not, you know, right there in the middle of everything. It's nice and peaceful and quiet. The school is across the street from where we're going to be living, so I'll show you some pictures. It's a fixer-upper, so it's not like I'm moving into a mansion that's awesome, but I feel like I'm moving into a mansion because Victorian houses are so neat and they're just so unique with all of the different rooms. So I'll show you some pictures of it that I looked at before I went to purchase it, and we'll check those out right now.
For something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go.
Okay, so what do you guys think? Leave me a note in the comments below of what you think of the new house and what you think of our current house. Should I actually be moving, or do you think that this is just a terrible idea? One thing I want to let you know is that we will have plenty of resources to get the house fixed up. So you're going to see, or you saw in the pictures, that the house definitely needs to be fixed up, and that's actually what we're going to do. We're going to move in and fix it up really nice and turn it back into the beautiful Victorian house that it once was. So once again, leave it in the comments if you think I should move or think I should stay. I'm moving, but I want to know what you guys think. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.